Introduction. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to write a resume that stands out from the crowd. Whether you're fresh out of college, changing careers, or just need to update your resume, we'll provide you with tips and tricks to create a professional and effective resume. Step 1. Understand the purpose of a resume. First things first, it's essential to understand what a resume is and what it's supposed to do. A resume is a marketing document that's designed to sell you to a potential employer. It should highlight your skills, experience, and achievements while demonstrating that you're the right fit for the job you're applying for. Step 2. Gather information. Before you start writing, take the time to gather all the information you need. This includes your work history, education, skills, and achievements. Make sure to include any relevant information that will make you stand out from the other candidates. Step 3. Choose the right format. There are 3 main formats to choose from: chronological, functional, and combination. Chronological is the most common format and is suitable for candidates with a consistent work history. Functional is best for candidates with little or no work experience, while combination is suitable for candidates with a mix of experience and skills. Step 4. Write a compelling summary statement. Your summary statement is the first thing the employer will see, so it's crucial to make it stand out. Start with a strong opening sentence that summarizes your skills and experience. Be sure to tailor your summary statement to the job you're applying for. Step 5. List your work experience. When listing your work experience, start with your most recent job and work backward. Be sure to include the name of the company, your job title, and the dates you worked there. Use bullet points to highlight your responsibilities and achievements. Use strong action verbs to make your points more powerful. Step 6. Highlight your education. If you're a recent graduate or have limited work experience, education can be a valuable section to highlight. Include the name of your school, your degree, and any relevant coursework or achievements. If you have extensive work experience, you can list your education at the bottom of your resume. Step 7. List your skills. Your skills section should highlight the skills that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. Make sure to include both hard and soft skills. Hard skills are specific, technical abilities, while soft skills are personal traits and qualities. Step 8. Use keywords. Many employers use software to screen resumes, so it's essential to use keywords that match the job description. Look for keywords in the job description and use them throughout your resume. Step 9. Proofread and edit. Before submitting your resume, make sure to proofread it carefully. Check for typos, grammatical errors, and formatting issues. Ask a friend or family member to read over it as well to catch any mistakes you may have missed. Conclusion. And there you have it, our guide on how to write a resume that stands out from the crowd. Remember to tailor your resume to the job you're applying for, use keywords, and highlight your skills and achievements. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to landing your dream job. Thanks for watching.